we guide you through how to fix Apple Pay payment return. First thing you need to do is open the wallet app and check the returned payment details to understand why it was sent back. Because common reasons include insufficient funds, bank declines, or incorrect recipient information. Next, confirm that your card or bank account is active, has sufficient balance, and that all personal details match your bank records. Then, check your internet connection and ensure Apple Pay services are operating normally. After that, you can retry the payment carefully with the correct information or use a different card or account if needed. And if the payment is returned again, contact your bank to ask if there are holds, fraud alerts, or restrictions on your account. Then, reach out to Apple support with the transaction details to get guidance and ensure the payment completes successfully. So that's it.